Hi viewers, we are here with our second vlog on Vijayawada series, that is finding the best idlis in the town.
Hey, good morning, friends. We are in my hometown, Vijayawada. So this is the idli series that we wanted to do. We'd like to try if not the best, the good idli point. So we'll choose. We have chosen three, and idlis is the first stop here. So we'll also see the other two places and let you decide which one is the best.
Unlike few other states who use rice in the preparation of idlis, the people of Andhra prepare idlis from rava and urid dal. Idlis are considered one of the healthiest options of breakfast, almost prepared in every household of South India.
So we are trying the butter idli here. So you can see the heaps of butter on it, and there's a proper peanut chutney, along with the garlic chutney, allam chutney we call it, and with the podi as well, ghee podi. So let me mix all the three. Then that just melts into your mouth. Yeah, you need to have it hot. That's the speciality. I would definitely recommend you need to come here and try this hot, as it is peeping those steam which melts the butter into it. Very good morning, friends. We are at the second point today. So as I said, we'll be visiting different idli points in my hometown Vijayawada. So this is idlys idli, one of the most sought after idli points in Vijayawada. So let's go ahead and let's try how the idli is here.
This fermented batter of idli is not only good for the gut but also becomes nutritious when paired with multi-vegetable sambar.
Hello everyone. We are at one of the most sought after idli points, the idlys idli. So you can see, these are three sets of idli. The shape is not circular; it is square, and you need to buy the ghee separate here. So once you dip in all your ghee into this, so you have a peanut chutney, most sought after in Vijayawada. So it's very soft. So it melts in your mouth.
This place makes you feel nostalgic with its palm roof, bringing your childhood memories to front seat. It would have been much better if the hospitality of the staff was as good as their idlis.
Hi, so we are at our third and maybe the final destination for our exploration in Idly's in my hometown. So this is one of the oldest place. This place has been, in my memory, this has been revamped three times. So a lot of celebrities, politicians, and they do serve the common man as well. So their idli is one of the famous in Vijayawada. So let's go and try there as well.
So the word Babai means paternal uncle in Telugu. So the people of this town have made this hotel so dear to themselves that they have started calling this as Babai Hotel.
Hello everyone. Lot of echo here, but we are at the Babai Hotel, Gate Babai Sangatulu. So as you can see, lot of generous amount of ghee here, butter, and yeah, two different types of chutneys and podi. And also you can see the butter there, right? So let's dwell into this idli as well. Pristine it is. So this place has been very famous in terms of different celebrities visiting this place. So probably the wall of fame that is just backside here would be showcased in the video as well. So yeah, thank you.
So this was all about the Idlis of Vijayawada. Like, share and subscribe to our channel by the Globe.